Hi there, and for today's video, we are going to show you how to create your account in Netlify and deploy your website. If we don't have an account, let's create an account. Now, at the top right corner of the website, you can see the sign up button. Click on it. Then, you will be able to see three options: sign up with GitHub, sign up with GitLab, and sign up with Bitbucket. Let's say for now we are going to sign up with email. So let's click on it. Then you will be able to see two options: email and password. Now choose your email and give your password. Then click on sign up. Then you will be able to see a verification email has been sent to your email. So let's check on it. After going to your Gmail, you will be able to see Netlify sent you an email. So let's click on that email. There, press the option Verify Email. Now, in order to continue your account, you have to put your credentials. So put your first name here and your last name there. Now, for how are you planning to use Netlify? Use what is suitable for you. For now, I am selecting personal. Then, for what kind of project do you want to build first? Choose as you need. For now, I'm going to select web app. And for what describes you the best, I'm going to choose other for now. And give the project name you desire. Now, select continue to deploy. Now, there will be an option deploy your first project. There you will see GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, and Azure DevOps. Now, for now, I will select try Netlify drop. So let's click on it. Now, in order to upload your website, just click browse to upload. Then go to your desired folder. Now, select your desired folder and click on upload. Now, it is uploading. Now, click on Get Started. Here, you'll be able to see your site was uploaded successfully. Let's check on it. See, you can see your website. Here, you can add various types of connections and various other things. That's it for today. Thanks for watching our video, and make sure to turn on the notification bell and subscribe to our channel to get more amazing tutorials like this.